we doing today? We are doing a ranch truck rescue. If we can get in there. It's supposed to snow in like an hour and be like cold as hell, so we're gonna try to knock this out now, despite the fact the four-wheel drive in the Excursion is not working. Go figure. Yeah, my perfect timing for everything.
Take the next left.
A buddy of mine told me he's got a 75 or 76 Ford I can have in exchange for some work I'm gonna do for him. Oh look, that's cool to just like slide right past the driveway. Oops. Just drift it. Yay. All right, well, we're gonna putter along this little driveway. Look at that view, holy crap. And see what we end up with. And this is it's a nice setup up here. I haven't been up here. Well, let's see. Well, here it is. This white fella right here. And this other white fella is going to see if he can drag it out. With the chain. Oh, is he going to get it?
Probably.
And he has all sorts of interesting stuff up here. So we will see. Yeah. Oh.
Put in neutral.
No neutral, we die like men. Yeah, maybe neutral, huh? Key, you want neutral? Yay! All right. Well, now we can put a tire on it. You guys have all the cool crap up here. Well, see how hard it'll be to change. Is that it? Oh, that'll work. Let's go get the tire. We are gonna get the tire changed and we'll be right back. Sweet, tire's on. Let me get out of the way. See?
Buy it some flowers.
That's right. And an Egg McMuffin.
Can we set down for a second?
Now it's gonna go right back. Dude, I like this little machine. No runneth over. What do you want to do? Chain to the front and then have them drag it that way?
I can either pull it this way and have them drive it that way. Well, I'm going to pick that up, set some pallets over there, and set it back where it was.
Hey, what rolls more coal, the dump truck or the generator? The dump truck?
Dump truck because it's propane.
Yeah, if it rolls coal and propane, there's an issue.
We're having a really big issue. Hey, Bobo, do you want to go grab the skid steer and get that hooked up? The skid steer won't start. I already had it started this morning. Alright. Why?
The Jenny?
Get the Jenny off. Oh, yeah.
It'll probably kill my trailer, and it's not my trailer.
Sure.
Brought to you by a nice gentleman that doesn't know I'm abusing his trailer at the moment. Good thing that bar's there, huh?
Bobo. I see it.
Be like, is there a reward? No, I haven't seen him.
Yeah, but we might want to steer.
Stir? Yay! Dude, I like how the cracks are just opening when it gets to the top. Look at you guys, almost like you've done this before. Like probably a lot. All right. Hey, you just want me to pull forward and we can just suck it on with the winch? All right.
Hey, Bobo, the pillars are still good in this.
The what?
The back pillars are still good on this.
Quit picking up my excursion truck. Ooh. Ooh, shit. She's heavy. Come on, fat girl. Here, go right. Yep. There's a reason the fenders are smashing. Both of them is me. Yeah. Yeah, son. What? Damn.
That's a fat ass winch.
Dude, it just runs off a little battery. Like, what's up, guys? Can I play too?
Right? God dang.
Yeah, buddy.
Well, once you get sail blasting, your frame will be in one piece again. Honestly, the bottom is not as rusted as I thought it was.
Of what, the cab?
Yeah.
Is there holes in it?
No, there's not. It's just the front.
Yeah, well, the chain ones go on the back.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'll just crawl under here and hook this bad boy up. Well, thank you guys.
Yeah.
Look at this, all nice and snug on. I know, dude. I'm worried about driving around the corner. It's gonna be like, yeah, you don't have any traction. Bro, last time registered 01.
I have the old registrations. Yeah.
Here, to put this into perspective, I was a junior in high school in 2001.
Holy crap. This dude wasn't even alive.
See, I told you I'm old, man. Listen.
You're like fucking like 27 or something. Man.
It's the facial hair.
Yeah.
Yeah, beard definitely.
If you shave it, you get carded for smokes.
Oh, it was awesome. I had a full beard because I was doing a road trip out to New York. Slept in some bar. The lady didn't even ID me. I just walked inside the bar and she's like, "What do you want to drink?" I'm like, "I'll just take a Diet Coke, please." I do not want to explain that to the gobs.
No. Well, thank you, gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, dude, swing by this week.
Now come say awesome.
Yeah, man.
Yes, nice to meet you.
It's good to see y'all. Thank you for the shenanigans.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's get it. Oh yeah, and the sockets. Duh. Hold up. Don't close the video just yet. If you liked our video and you like our content, hit the subscribe button down here. Here it is. Hello, little guy, cute little guy. If we reviewed or showed you how to install a certain product in this video and you're interested in picking one up or getting more info, we'll put a link in the video's description that will take you directly to that part in our online store. We appreciate your guys' support, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.